What's up guys, Steve with Steve Invest. I'm on a mission to help real estate agents, real estate brokers succeed in their real estate businesses. Look, in 2007, 2008, it was scary times. My sister and I, we just started up our real estate company back in 2006. Our market was shifting, obviously crashing to say the least. Losing a lot of business. There were not any more home buyers in the market, and we had to do the next logical thing, and that was adapt to our real estate market. This is what this video is all about. We had to adapt in order to list and sell short sale properties as well as REO listings. We listed and sold hundreds of these properties, and I can tell you there was a big learning curve. You know, we didn't even know what we were doing when we were taking our first handful of short sales. I was looking on the internet to find out what short sales were. We were just experimenting. We were even calling the banks, asking them to educate us on the short sale process for our clients, because we really had no clue. However, we created a process that I'm gonna teach you in our short sale expert course. At the end of this course, you're gonna learn all about short sales, how to list and sell short sales, how to find potential prospects who would be interested in learning more about short sales and eventually listing their properties with you, and how to eventually successfully sell hundreds of short sale properties on your own. This course is gonna teach you guys everything. You're also gonna have an insight of personal experiences that we've had throughout listing and selling a lot of short sale properties. There's going to be a link below that's going to give you access to the short sale expert course. It's very inexpensive for the value that you guys are going to get, and potentially what you're going to be armed with to go to market, not even just when a market shifts and crashes, but you know, real estate markets, they go up, they go down, they go sideways. And the bigger thing you have to understand is short sales are prevalent in any market. People lose their jobs. People have deaths, divorces, job relocation. There's so many different factors that people are in distress situations that a short sale is going to be necessary for them. So if you want to prepare for a market crash or even make this part of your niche target market, go ahead and sign up with the course below. But if you're still a little weary and you haven't seen me before on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to Steve Invest. Watch a lot of other free content that I put out there before you even consider signing up for one of these paid courses. As always, I wish you guys a tremendous amount of success. This is why I'm doing this. This is why I created this channel, Steve Invest, to help real estate agents like yourself adapt to the market and create niche target markets for yourself that you can not just excel in, but thrive and become the dominant figure for this niche market. So let's go ahead and begin.